Hey, no. Down. Stay down.
I don't think she can actually jump out, can she?
Oh. Yeah, so this was stuck in Lucy.
No.
Yeah, she's gallivanting through the woods.
Yep.
Yep.
Roxy! Yes, I know you don't like this.
And your instincts were actually to start running toward, like, in the general direction of Blacksburg.
Hi, Lucy. You know you're getting a bath next. You're not very happy, are you?
Alright, let's get under here.
Let me see your paw.
Okay. Alright, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake.
Nope,
Shake it
jump,
there.
jump.
Hey!
No, shake.
Let me put Lucy down in the front. Let me rinse my arms off.
Okay.
Keep them separated. Ugh. Stay. Grab her.
Which one?
Roxy.
Okay.
Ah!
Failed.
Hold up. Let me see. Really? God damn dog. There. Hi. Let me see underneath. It felt like you had something stuck. Ooh.
Oh, wow. She
Ouch.
did go through the woods.
Hold still. Hey. Okay, fine. Hey. I know you can jump out of there, though. Stay.